How's it going, everyone? This is that little radio I was telling you about in the last video when we were doing the Segas that I got in that box that has no power. It's just a little automatic level control recording. Just has a little D emblem on it. And I didn't think there was going to be much to this, but I think we're going to have a little fun with this. Did I turn that? Ew. Can't turn that because that's what runs the needle and turns down in here our little tuning pot, I guess you want to call it. Okay, this is a DuraBrand model CT995 AM/FM radio cassette. A little cheaper, but it wasn't all corroded up from batteries being left in it. So I thought I'd take a peek at it, and just see what's going on, and did some preliminary checking, and what I found is I have 110 coming in here, going to our transformer, but I do not have any voltage over here where the transformer hooks up to the circuit board. So I do believe our little transformer has taken a dump. So I thought it would be kind of neat if we tore that transformer apart and see what actually happened, or, never know, maybe we can fix it. Yeah, which I doubt. But I thought it would be kind of interesting to tear that down and see, actually what did happen to it. See if it fried, or see if we just have a wire that come loose, because these were wrapped down in there pretty tight, to keep it from the cord from pulling on it. But, it may have been too tight and it may have pulled something loose inside the transformer, and we can resolder and get this little guy going. It's only a $5 radio, but, what the heck? How else are you going to learn? By diving into some of these little crappy things and seeing what you can come up with. If we get it powered up and get it working, then, hey, we may even be able to get the cassette deck working on it. Belts don't look terrible. It may even play. So I'm going to get you set up in the stand, and we're going to get this little transformer out of here and take a peek at it and get it tore apart. Looks like we can get it tore apart, and we'll see what the heck's going on with it. Alright, let's see if we can't get that little transformer out of there. Remember that little Falco radio we just did, that little CD player? I put that guy out, and it wasn't even out for an hour. And I sold it. These little radios are... guts come out of it. Oh well. These little radios are pretty sought after down there, just because there's nothing else. And that one we saved. It's anything with an antenna. Trying to figure. Trying to save the. trying to save this because there's a lot of people that are looking for these little radios, and they don't always show up at the auction. This past Monday I didn't get any. There wasn't nothing there. A little stereo was there. I picked up, ooh, trying to break that. Picked up a little stereo. Which I just finished up. No video on it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a little dusty. Had a little dust on the bottle, we'll say. And I cleaned up a bunch of records. Some idiot bought, I don't know, there must have been probably 300-400 records in the in a pile right at the end of the night. And I think there was 8 boxes. And oh, come on, can't get under that one or that one. So I bought them for $2 a box. But earlier, I bought 1 box of records for $75 and another one for $25. There was some really good stuff in that. The one for $75. It had Deep Purple, George Harrison, Heart. There's a lot of good stuff in that one. Everybody thought I was nuts, but yeah, what the hell. I need them. Records have been selling. Yep, been selling really well for me. So, needless to say, when they're there, I buy them. I went through them yesterday, and there's about close to $150 worth of records in it. After I get them all priced, I got them all cleaned up. Dang. I use some pretty good tape. That should be the insulator part of the insulator there. I don't know if we're going to be able to get down in there or not. Probably makes the connections down inside. No, not in there. Maybe. I don't know. Let's keep going. And you're waiting for me to cut myself. Make for a good video, but it'll hurt. Yeah, I cut myself. Close. Okay, there's one wire broke off. I don't know if I just did it or not. Probably, but let's probably never be able to get to the wires. I don't even see them. Yeah, there's one hair. Oh yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's one little hair right there that hooks up to that. What gauge would that be? Be like 34? No, that's more like 36 or 38 gauge wire that's in that. There's no way. I don't see the other one. Probably has shellac on it holding all the punchings in. Yep, you can bend them too. just so stinking small to try and work with. You know, and how much time should you spend on a $5 item? Alright, I'm not going to piss with this too much more. Like I said, I can solder that back on, maybe. But I can't find the other one. I think the other one probably on that end. Alright. Okay, enough of that. Like I said, that's too awful small to be trying to work with my hands, but okay. Alright, here's another one that I don't remember why I scrapped that one out. But it's got a transformer in it. This one's set up just a little bit different. Let's see what size this one is. Most of these little radios should be pretty close to the same. This one may be a little bit, looks like it might be a little bit bigger. And I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a lot bigger. But you know, if it has the same output, I don't know if we can get it in there and get it all closed up. Need a better screwdriver. God, where's all my screwdrivers? Okay. Alright. I think it's just got some of that. Okay. Try this one. That got a hold of it. This one hooks up a little different too. Still has the white wires, you know, the only 2-wire output. Let's see, we don't need all that. Let's get that little bridge rectifier out. the little one over there has the bridge rectifiers right on the main board. Alright, like I've told you before, I don't video everything I do because it takes time. To set up and do videos. And I only have like 3.5 days. 3.5, yeah. No, not even that. I only have about Mondays. Ow, that's hot. Oh man. Fine. You don't want to desolder? We'll fix you. So I only have so much time to get as much stuff ready as I can for the weekend. And so sometimes I just have to go through and do a lot of stuff without video in it. Okay, we should have AC coming out of that, right? Yep, that's a little bridge. May want to keep that little guy. Cute. Alright, let's test this thing before we even, or should we see if we can put it in first? Well, let's see if there's enough room for it to sit. Nope. It may even be a little too tall. I mean, I can trim that down and get that down in there. I can get it down in. But is it going to be too tall in here? I don't have another one of these around with it. That's junk. Oh, let's do quick and dirty here. We'll go down. Boy, that's pretty close. Just is there enough room between the speaker and the transformer? I only need about not even half an inch. Alright, I think we can make it work now. Let's see if this plug. Need a cord. Okay, no smoke yet. Not letting the smoke out of it. Let's see what we got. Nothing. Wonder if that's why I junked this one too. Oh, duh. Was on DC. Don't mind me. First day. There we go. 10. Almost 11 volts. I do believe that'll power that little radio. Either that or we're going to let some smoke out. I think we should unplug it first. Leave it plugged in. Leave the plug on it. Okay. There's our AC in. Let's see if it'll power this little guy. What do I need? I need some slobber. And I better have a little goo on them. Goo them up a little bit. And we'll slobber. Let's tin them up a little. Let's give it half a chance here. Oh, quit shaking. Missed. Because I'm shaking so much. All right. Let's see if we're going to let the smoke out of it. Well, power's up. I don't have the antenna on it, so we're not going to get anything. But a lot of that. Let's...
kill a deer or buffalo. With just my arrow and my hickory bow from 100 yards, don't.
Sounds a little slow. Let me play it a little bit and see if it loosens up, or if we're going to have to service that deck too, if we can get that transformer. Okay, the tape deck did loosen up. It was just from sitting for so long. And I played through the tape a couple of times, fast forward, rewound, and it loosened up. Now, we don't need that no more. Now let's see what we can do about getting this transformer mounted in there. We know it's going to work with it. Let's get it out of there. I need to we need about this much of this one. We'll go in there get it about there. Save that, those are nice to have. You can hook up anything to those. Alright, let's see if we can cut ourselves. How much of that is exposed? I want to kind of keep everything the same. That way it may go together a little better. Oh yeah, sure. Each one of those is encased. There's that one. Alright, that's all ready. Now, what are we going to do? So we can get that down in there. We are going to have to cut some plastic. Need a good set of side cutters. Let me go see if I can find my good side cutters. Yeah, I couldn't find my good ones, but I did find a pair. Boy, that's going to weaken that mounting post up big time. But we are going to do what we have to do. I know you can't see a whole lot what I'm doing. All I'm doing is cutting the little ears off of it to make room for the new transformer. That's a good movie. The new one coming out looks like it's going to be really good. Alright, now let's see if this will sit down in there. What am I hitting on? Everything. Okay, I got one more tab to break off, and hopefully it doesn't blow out the backside. That's where the casing is made, so they could put one of these on the back side of it, but this one they just hardwired. Now let's see if we can get it in there. That'll be good. Let it. It comes up through. Let's. Oh, hell yeah. We're in good shape. That'll go right down, all the way down in there, like so. And we still have, we can get our wires hooked up. These ones are long enough. I don't know if we can get a screw to hold the transformer in. Oh, hell yeah. Look at there. Almost like it was made for it. But not. Get one in there. I don't think it's going to be You may want to get one a little longer. Alright, let's start getting this wired up. Kind of really wanted to see if I could fix that other transformer, but unfortunately those wires are about as big as a hair, smaller actually than a hair. So it really made it kind of impossible to fix. I fix. You fix? I fix it good. No, no, me no shit my pants. Oh, I thought you meant today. Very good. Very, very good. I need some tweezers so I can get down in there and see. I have to change hands. It's always good if you can do it with either hand. Soldering, that is. I know how some of you people think. Okay, now what do I need to do? I need to prep a few other things here. Let's see if I can fix this guy up. Alright, I'll bring you back here in a minute. Alright, let's get our power cord hooked up here. Let's see. I need something so I don't get burnt. Get out of the way. Oh, you moved. That wire's getting warm. You a dirty girl. One. That one I don't like. Let's see if we can't straighten this one out a little bit. That looks better. Get a little slobber. Ow. It's getting warm. Ow! I let go of it too soon. I couldn't help it. It was hot. Okay. Out of the way. You need to go down in there further. You should slide all the way down in there. Test fit, everything looks good. Put our little retainer down in there. Okay, now we can close it all up. Put a couple screws in it. Find my antenna. I was just gonna scrap this out. I think that's the one that was on it. Doesn't matter, either one will work. Yeah. Never throw a good antenna away. Never. I don't care if you say, oh, I'll never need that. Okay, that one won't work. This one is just a hair bigger in diameter. Must have been this little guy. That looks better. Now let me find the screw. There you are. There. Let's see if we got it all put together right. Be on tape.
Since 2005, the Clutch magazine features events and public interest articles. They also offer website design, business
Well, what do
cards,
you know about
brochures,
that?
posters and flyers, and carbonless copies for invoices. Information phone 814-442-07.
I actually fixed something.
The email address is yourclutchmagazine@gmail.com.
All right, I'll get get all the screws put back in it and get her cleaned up, and I'll bring you back when I'm finished. All right, there she is, all cleaned up, fixed, ready to go. On this little DuraBrand model CT995 AM FM radio cassette recorder. Got the cord all tucked away in its battery compartment where it belongs. Got her all cleaned up. Deck works. For those of you that was wondering, yes, I did forget to put that screw in the transformer. That's why I tore it back down and put the screw in it, and I adjusted the needle here. You've seen me turn it a little bit, and I wanted to put it 1057 is our local, so that's where I kind of set it right in there in that area. Close enough anyway. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Until then, you know the drill. See ya.